Hello everyone! You probably want to make a paper decoration for Halloween. We need scissors, a pencil, and a rectangular sheet of paper. Place the paper with its short side facing you. Fold the left side toward the right side. Press with your fingers where the paper is folded. Fold the left side toward the right again. Smooth the folded part with your finger. Draw the pattern with a pencil. Just follow what I do. Draw a large pumpkin at the bottom. Above it, draw a pumpkin slightly smaller in size. Draw the third small pumpkin. Draw the fourth pumpkin. Draw the fifth little pumpkin at the top. Draw a hat on top of the fifth pumpkin. Cut out the decoration along the lines. Carefully open it up by pulling the corners. Like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell.